Hello everyone, I'm Pratik Pujari. I hope you all are doing well. And today's video is gonna be about area for standard 8 part 2. So let's get right into the video. Area. Earlier in the part 1, we have did area of square, area of rectangular, and area of triangle, and area of right angle triangle, and the last we did area of parallelogram. Hope you all remember those formulas. I think you have by hearted all the formulas. Okay, now we'll move on to the area of rhombus. Area of rhombus. The area of rhombus, here are the properties. All sides of rhombus are congruent. All sides of rhombus are congruent. As shown in the diagram, rhombus, it's not in a particular square shape. Okay, it's not in a particular square shape. It's little slanting. Okay, it's little slanting, which basically is based on diagonals. Okay, basically is based on diagonals. Let's name A, B, C, D, and the middle part be M. Okay, which is 90 degree. All sides is 90 degree of the diagonal. Okay, now as I said, all sides of rhombus are congruent. So another highlight, let me highlight this for your better preference. Same, this is also same. AD is same, BC is same, CB is same, and AB is same. If BC is 8 centimeter, then all would be 8 centimeter. Okay, okay, it's all 8 centimeter. Okay, because it's congruent. As written in the first line, all sides of rhombus are congruent. Now, the second properties, that is diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular bisector to each other. Perpendicular bisector means if AM is equal to MB, AM is equal to MB because angles, the measure of the side would be same. Similarly, AM AM is equal to MC. AM is equal to MC because these both are same. These two diagonals are not same. The diagonal half from here to here, these are same. Okay, it's half. And this part AM to MC is same. Okay, angle bisector of a perpendicular. Okay, angle bisector. Perpendicular bisector of each other. Perpendicular bisector of each other. Now the formula derives from this, that is area of rhombus, that is equal to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Okay, half into diagonal 1, which is this one, this part, diagonal 1, and diagonal 2, which is this part. Okay, Now let's start solving. Practice set 15.2, textbook page number 97. 15.2, textbook page number 97. Textbook page number 97. Okay. Pause the video, read question number 1. Okay, I think you read the question. Now let's move on to the solution. Given as the length of the first diagonal as 15 centimeter and second as 24 centimeter. Now let's find the area. First we'll write the given, which is given. First we'll write the given, the length which is given in the question. Okay, so rhombus length of first rhombus, that is d1. Okay, that is d1, that is 15 centimeter, and length of second rhombus. Otherwise you can write second diagonal. Okay, not rhombus, we'll write diagonal. D2, that is 24 centimeter. 24 centimeter. As we all know the formula, area of rhombus, that is equal to half into diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. Otherwise we write product of diagonal. Okay, do not confuse in writing such, because in question it may give product of, see what we have written here, diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Otherwise they may write d1 into d2. Okay, it is same, diagonal 1 into diagonal 2, and here write product of diagonals, that is same. Okay, that is half into d1 to d2. So let's find half. What is the value of d1? 15 and 24. 15 and 24, which they have given. Now let's move on to the calculation. For better understanding, let me choose another color. Yes, correct. So can directly divide, that is 2 ones are 2, ones are 2, 2 twos are 12. Okay, the answer we are getting as 15 into 12. Students calculate and write in the chat section. 15 12s are 15 12s are. Calculate and write in the chat section. Yes, the answer is 180. The answer is 180. Okay, now let's write the statement. Area of rhombus, area of rhombus is equal to 180 square centimeter. 180 square centimeter. The early part of the video, in the part 1, I have always said for finding the area we have to write square centimeter or centimeter square. Centimeter square. Okay, now let's move on to the second question. Length they have given a length of the diagonal, that is d1 and d2. They are told to find area. So solution part, rhombus, length of diagonal, that is d1, that is 16.5 centimeter. Length of diagonal is d2, that is 14.2 centimeter. 14.2 centimeter. Now let's find the area of rhombus. That is equal to half into d1 into d2, half into d1 into d2, that is diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. So half 16.5 into 14.2, 16.5 into 14.2. So students calculate. Yes, the one part of the calculation I will tell, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, correct? 2 sevens are 14, decimal point 2 ones, that is 7.1. We got 7.1. Now 16.5 into 7.1, 16.5 into 7.1. Students calculate and write in the chat section. 16.5 into 7.1. Yes, that is 117.15 centimeter square. Centimeter square or square centimeter. So therefore area of rhombus is 7.15 square centimeter. 117.15 square centimeter. Okay. Students, read question number 3. Pause the video and read question number 3. Okay, I think you read the question. They have given the perimeter of rhombus, okay, and the length of one diagonal, and they have asked what is the area of quadrilateral. Okay, so let's calculate. It's very easy. Let's move to the fresh page because it will take a long, it's little lengthy. Do not worry. Uh, Solution. Okay, first they told rhombus. Okay, let's build our rhombus. That is A, B, C, D. As I said earlier, these two are same and this should be same. Okay, and in between will give us M, same as it is, for better clearing, for better understanding, and for better verification. So let's start. Let rectangular ABCD be a with perimeter rhombus with perimeter 100 centimeter, as they are given in the question, that is rhombus with a perimeter of 100 centimeters. So we'll write rhombus ABC with a perimeter 100 centimeter. So first we specify the diagonals. Diagonal AC and BD intersect at point M. Correct? Intersect AC and DB intersect at point M. Intersect at point M. Okay. So perimeter of rhombus, students write the formula of perimeter of rhombus in the chat section. Yes, that is 4 into sides. Perimeter of rhombus, that is 4 into sides. They are given perimeter. Okay, they are not given the sides. We have to find the sides. So perimeter be 100, 4 into sides. So 4 is multiplying here, it will divide. Correct? Therefore sign is very important while solving the sum. Okay, keep remember, so always said therefore sign. For how many the 100? Yes students, that is 25. So sides, the measure of the side is 25. So side is 25 centimeter. As the sides are same as we derived from the first part, that is all sides of rhombus are congruent. Congruence means same. Okay, all sides of rhombus are congruent, which means it is same. That is AD is 25 centimeter and BD is, sorry, AC, it's not 25 centimeter. And one part of the side they have given, it is 48. Okay, so we'll consider this part as 48 centimeters. Okay, सिर्फ एक side का जरूरत था. From that one side they have given as 48 centimeter. So directly we'll write 48 BD, which is diagonal. Okay, which is diagonal. Now they are given diagonal of rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other as the properties. If diagonal of rhombus is perpendicular bisector of each other. Each other. Okay, as the property defines. So for bifurcation, BM is equal to half into BD. BM, we want half of BD, okay, for BM. So therefore BM is equal to half into 48. Half into 48. So what is the half of 48? That is 24 centimeter. 24 centimeter. Okay. Now in triangle AMB, angle AMB is 90 degree. Okay, AMB, as you can see, AMB, M is 90 degree. So we want to find the area of now AC. Now we have find BD, correct? Now we have to find the area of AC. So 90 degree means Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square. AM square plus BM square, that is by Pythagoras, by Pythagoras theorem. So the value of AB is 25 squares. Not clearly. 5 square AM square plus 24 square AM square plus 24 square, that is 25 square, that is 625. AM as nothing plus 24, that is 576. 576. This adding here will, when it will move on to the left hand side, then it will subtract. Okay, minus 576 is AM square equal to, students calculate and write in the chat section what is the calculation we are getting by subtracting 625 minus 576. Yes, that is 49. So AM, what is the square root of 49? So AM would be 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Now AC, whole diagonal, that is 2AM. 2AM. AC into 2 into 7. AC ACS 14 centimeter. ACS 14 centimeter. We got AC 14 and BD has 48. BD has 48. Okay, now let's calculate area of rhombus. That is equal to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. That is AC into BD. AC into BD. That is half into 14 into 28. Half into 14 into 48. Sorry, it's not, it's 48. Okay. Calculation part. 2 ones are 2 sevens are 14. Okay, 2 sevens are 14. Now remaining 7 into 48. Students calculate 7 into 48. Write in the chat section. Yes, that is 336. That's square centimeter. 336 square centimeter. So therefore area of rhombus is ABCD 336 centimeter square. 336 centimeter square. Okay. I think students, you have understood how we calculate for finding a rhombus. This sums mostly comes for 5 to 4 marks. Do not worry, it's very easy. Pay attention as we solve the sums. It's very easy. It's not like a rocket science. The both hard hoga. It's not that level. It's basically come for 3, 4 and 5 marks. Which mostly comes for 5 marks. It's rarely, okay, rarely some school puts this answer as a question in a question paper. Okay, and we have earlier we have find the diagonal, how to find the rhombus as the given in the given the diagonal in the question. Okay, okay, the second part of the rhombus will continue in the second part of the video. Till that time, bye everyone. Till that time, like, subscribe, comment and share with your friends. Bye everyone.